Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This is part one of a three-part series teaching you how to make characters and make your own alphabet or letter or font with Illustrator. You start off by taking the letters that you've drawn out and vectorizing them. You select the letter or the paper, expand it, delete the area around it. I've chosen to create a full layout artboard where I've created each individual layer of an A4 sheet of paper. And what I've done, I've gone to Font Maker Self, new font, zoom into the letter, pressing Command T and Command plus on the keyboard, or Command minus and go back and forth. Selected each character and imported it into Illustrator, from Illustrator into Font Maker Self. Repeat the process until you've done all the characters. And also, if you haven't got a scanner, what you can do is get Acrobat Reader on your phone, scan it on there with good lighting, either email it to yourself, airdrop it, or send it via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to your laptop, and then from there you can import it into Illustrator and create the illustration one. I've gone for a chainmail alphabet to reflect chainmail, which is an old school sort of thing that used to be happening when email first came about. This is quite a technical piece, so I've done a light scan where there's different scanner options to play with the settings to get the options that you want in order to get a good scan of it. You can do photo or high fidelity image, which will give it a different look to line work or outlines. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe.